Minasan, konnichiwa. Junya to moshimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Ang pag-aaral natin for today is about Naito Ikemasen versus Nakereba Narimasen. Okay, so yung Naito Ikemasen, ang kanyang casual form is Naito Ikenai or Naito. Samantalang si Nakereba Narimasen, ang kanyang casual form is Nakereba Naranai. Okay, so de wa hajimete ikimashou. Okay, so unahin natin si Naito Ikimasen. Convey obligations, necessities, and things that should be taken for granted in a somewhat soft manner. That also includes the speaker's feelings and opinion or the personal reason. Ang Naito Ikimasen ay ginagamit sa kinakailangan niyang gawin dahil sa personal reason niya. Okay, yung Naito Ikimasen at Nakereba Narimasen, same lang naman po ang meaning. Ang meaning po niya ay kinakailangan or must do. Okay, example, after I eat, I must brush my teeth for personal reasons. Sabi te kara, hao, migaka na ito, ikemasen. Okay, next, you must write your name on your report for personal reasons. Reporto ni na mayo ka na ito, ikemasen. Okay, so next natin, Minna, paano naman ang nakereba narimasen? Okay, pares lang sila. Convey obligations or necessity in somewhat formal manners, but required for reasons such as laws, rules, and requirements. Example, I must pass the LPTN exam so that I can work in Japan. Ni Honde, ang tarakero yun ni GLPTN yung ni Upaki sinakereba narimasen. Okay, so talagang kinakailangan mo na makapasa sa GLP-10 dahil yun yung requirements para makapag-work ka sa Japan. Hindi personal reason. And next, when you go abroad, you must take passport. Kaya kinakailangan mo talagang kumuha ng passport dahil yung requirements sa abroad. So hindi yun pang personal reason. Kaya tara, masupoto-tora na kereba, narimasen. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube account and Mercado. Follow my FB page and my heart.